I just had another pneumatic air nailer start leaking. This time, it was one of my Harbor Freight palm air nailers that stopped working. I knew these things are really simple tools and most likely would be easy to repair. You can't buy parts for this tool, but it had to be O-rings or seal. I have both the Imperial and the metric O-ring set from Harbor Freight, and opening the tool would be a breeze to find out what I need to replace. Therefore, I saw no reason to spend time to go to Harbor Freight and back, even though the tool is dirt cheap and on sale at the time for only $20. I was right, the repair was very easy. Follow along here. I immediately found a problem. The main plastic seal had completely disintegrated and was clearly the source of the leak. I cleaned all the parts and inspected the O-rings. They all looked good. It literally took me only 2 minutes to design a new seal in Fusion. I sent it to the printer and printed it in a TPU, which is flexible. I used 100% infill. Then I had myself a cup of coffee while the seal was being printed. And 15 minutes later, I was ready to reassemble the tool. The seal fit perfectly, and I actually think the TPU is a better plastic than the original. Before assembling, I applied a generous coating of hydraulic oil to all moving surfaces. Total success. I used the tool all day and it worked like a brand new nailer. I bet I bought it 20 years ago.
I don't know how to use Fusion, but I have a 3D printer and I also have a leaking palm nailer. How do I make a seal?
Oh, that's easy. I uploaded the seal to Printables and Make-A-Will. Links in the description. While you're at it, why don't you do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel too? That's it for now. I hope to see you in the next video.